Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on how can I make time for meditation in a busy schedule. Start small. Commit to just 1 to 5 minutes a day. Short sessions are effective and build the habit over time. Incorporate into existing routines. Meditate right after finishing brushing your teeth, during your lunch break, or before bedtime to make it a part of your daily rhythm. Use guided meditations. Apps and videos provide structured sessions that save time and help you focus quickly. Consistency is more important than duration, so prioritize showing up daily. Making time for meditation is not easy when you begin. If you start and you continue, you will find that making time for meditation will become easier as your sitting sessions will become easier. I found personally, once I committed to a daily practice, I began to seek it out. I began to look forward to it. If my schedule was off or I had to move my scheduled practice to another time, I found myself craving or wanting to meditate. So I would say starting small was also very helpful. Starting with 2 minutes, 1 minute if you can't do 2 minutes. But I found 2 minutes is where I would notice a change when I open my eyes after meditating, or let's say a head change or a change in attitude, headspace, however you want to categorize it. So even if you start with 1 minute, I would work up towards 2 minutes, and when you can regularly practice within a 2 to 5 minute time frame, this I feel like you will start to experience the results, or at least you will be aware of the results as they're happening to you. Finding a way to incorporate it into your existing routine. We all have different routines, so finding what works for you. Where is that gap of time where you have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes that you can do this? Are you sitting in the car? Are you waiting for public transportation? Are you scrolling through social media? Whatever it is that we can partition off a few moments every day, this is where you want to fit that in, especially before bed if at all possible, or right after waking up. These are also very good times because usually this is downtime or time where we're reaching for this or daydreaming about that. So that time works as well. And just like this video and other videos and apps, guided meditations are a way to get help. Also, having a meditation buddy also works out very well. At this time, let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils, and we'll observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale. We inhale and we exhale. Thank you for taking the time to meditate right now. I'm certain you will reap the benefits. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils, observing the flow of air. Namaste.